Go to bed. Now your turn speak. Do the dishes. Now your turn speak. Put on makeup. Now your turn speak. Play with peers. Now your turn speak. Do your hair. Now your turn speak. Take shower. Now your turn speak. Shave. Now your turn speak. Take out the trash. Now your turn speak. Play an instrument. Now your turn speak. Exercise. Now your turn speak. Get dressed. Now your turn speak.
Make dinner. Make dinner. Have dinner. Have dinner.
Drive to work. Drive to work. Take a nap. Take a nap. Vacuum. Vacuum. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. Do the laundry. Do the laundry.
Watch TV. Watch TV. Listen to music. Listen to music.